Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hazys Day. What we're going to do today is we're going to fry some chicken, but we're going to fry it on the barbecue. What we're going to do today is we're going to fry some chicken, but we're going to fry it on the barbecue. That's right. You ask, how are you going to fry it on the barbecue? We're going to use a cast iron skillet. We're going to use a little bit of olive oil. And you know what we're going to use most of all with it? Chicken breasts. I sliced them in half. They were once a full breast. I cut them. Now they're 2 breasts per breast. It's amazing. Our temperature is running up on words of 300 degrees. I'm kind of waiting until it gets about 350 before I put the oil in and stick the oil onto the grill. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take and we're going to mix up our eggs to dip our chicken in, and then we're going to dip it into the batter before we put it into the fryer. The batter consists of flour, paprika, a little tiny bit of garlic salt, a little bit of pepper, and some sea salt. This is mixed together into this little bowl right here. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful concoction. So you can see the little bit of the kind of orangish tint to it. That's the paprika. Got olive oil. We got our eggs, we got our skillet, we got our fork, we got our chicken, we got our flipper, we got our grill on its way to 350 degrees. We're almost ready. So let's mix these eggs. Now, I got some eggs. I got one in there. We're going to do 2 more because I got probably 6 to 12 pieces of chicken. And some of them are going to be for sandwiches. Some of them are going to be strips. Got a little shell in there. That sucks. All right, let's mix them up. You want to mix it really good, because you don't want it to just your chicken to be like dipped in all yellow or in just all of the clear shit that turns white when you actually fry it. You know, freaking airplanes. You guys see that consistency there? It's just it's yellow now. The whole thing is yellow, and that's what you're shooting for. A very simple, quick whip it up, mix it up, twist it together, because you're going to lay the chicken in it just for a couple of seconds before you put it into the breading. Now, we don't want to do that particularly yet until the actual fryer is hot enough to dip the chicken in, because we want to get it in and out of that breading as quickly as possible. We're almost to 350 degrees now. We're right on the brink of it, seconds from it. We're going to touch it. It's ready. You can almost taste it. It's going to be hot. It's going to fry. Let's mix up our chicken. Let's get the batter ready. Let's get the pan ready. Let's do this. All right, here we are. We're going to add the oil, the olive oil, to the pan. Now, we're not going to add much. Just enough to kind of cover the bottom coating of the chicken, because at some point we're going to flip that said chicken once the bottom is cooked. But we want to have enough oil in there to cover the bottom, and we want it to be hot enough. And we want to be loud enough so we can talk over the rude-ass jetliners that keep flying in every 2 seconds. Actually, as if there's somebody flying in and out of Metro Detroit. There's nobody here. There's no holiday. What the hell's wrong with you people? I'm trying to make a video. All right. We got our oil heating up. Let's take this first piece of chicken here, the said chicken breast. Let's lay it into the egg for a quick second. And then we're going to put it straight into the flour. Now, when you do that, you get some of the flour then mixed into the egg. And then I shake this thing just like said. Because I like to get a good coating on it, you know, all the way around. See that? It's nice, completely coated. Let's put the next one in. We got the next one in the egg. Let's flip it over, kind of give it a little swirl around. You want it to be nice and covered, because you want a good full coating of breading on the chicken. So let's put that in with the other one. Again, the only reason I doubled these up is because we're waiting for that oil to get hot. We don't want, if your oil's not hot enough, you're screwed. You know, if you want to talk about being screwed when you're cooking, well, it's when you fry something and you don't get the oil hot enough, because then all you do is like saturate everything with oil and it will never cook right. You can consider your food garbage straight on from that moment. So you want to get the oil hot. We're back down. We're back down to around 250 degrees because I put the cold oil on and I left the lid up. So now we're going to wait for that to climb back up to about 350 degrees before we said add that said chicken to the fryer. This is the part in the video where I had to add a voiceover track because I used a slew of profanity that was totally unacceptable for anybody to watch on YouTube, even myself. Voila, there it is, the chicken. 2 pieces of chicken sitting nice and cozy right next to each other on a white plate, ready to go on the buns and be eaten. And there it is, 1 completed stack plated chicken. It's ready to go on the rolls. I can't wait. I'm excited, and it's going to be delicious. Now, what we got here are some buttermilk biscuit rolls. I love these much more than a regular bread bun. So we're going to take them and we're going to put the piece of chicken on the roll. Look, it's chicken and it's going on the roll. And we got a pickle. You can't argue a pickle. It's delicious. You know who else uses pickles? Chick-fil-a. And they're not wrong with it. It's a wonderful thing. But where they went wrong is this buttermilk biscuit. Because voila, this is a delicious piece of deliciousness. All in one little plate. You can spin it around no matter how you look at it. It's a chicken sandwich and it's breaded and it was deep fried on the grill. And it's wonderful. Now, the only way to tell for sure how wonderful is to try it. Man, that's good. Totally better than Chick-fil-A. Hands down. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hazys Day, chicken sandwich making, buttermilk biscuits, pickle, breaded chicken breast on the grill in a cast iron pan with olive oil. They're fried. They're delicious. 2019, the year of the magic. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hazys Day. You know I love you all today, tomorrow, forever. Peace.